Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the top 5 video editing apps of 2024 and challenge myself to create an amazing video using just one of them. We'll dive deep into each app, looking at their features, strengths, weaknesses, and how they stack up against each other. By the end, you'll know exactly which app fits your editing style and maybe even discover some hidden gems along the way. So, let's get started. First up, we have VN, a video editing app that's been making waves in the creator community. And for good reason, this thing is packed with features. We're talking multi-layer editing, giving you that fine-grained control over every element. Customizable speed controls? You got it. Want to slow things down for a cinematic feel or speed it up for that fast-paced energy? VN has got you covered. And let's not forget the filters. VN comes loaded with a bunch of cinematic-grade filters that can instantly elevate the look and feel of your videos. But it's not just about the features. VN manages to package all this power into an interface that's surprisingly intuitive. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, you'll find VN to be a joy to use. Next, we have Filmora, an app that's been a favorite for years, and it's not hard to see why. Filmora is all about ease of use, and it shows in its intuitive drag-and-drop interface. Seriously, even if you've never edited a video before, you can pick up Filmora and start putting together something that looks pretty impressive. But don't let that fool you. Under the hood, Filmora packs a punch when it comes to features. We're talking color tuning to get those perfect colors, audio editing to fine-tune your sound, and a library of transitions and effects that can add that extra flair to your videos. Filmora strikes a great balance between being beginner-friendly and offering enough features to satisfy even the more experienced editors out there. Chapter 3. YouTube Create, the creator's secret weapon. Now, this one's interesting. It's called YouTube Create, and as the name suggests, it's designed specifically for YouTube creators. Now you might be thinking, another editing app? But trust me on this one. YouTube Create has a few tricks up its sleeve. First off, it's built by YouTube, so it's got a direct line to all the platform's best practices and optimization tools. This means your videos are primed for success from the get-go. Second, it comes loaded with a library of free-to-use copyright music and sound effects. And we all know how important good audio is to a video. But the real kicker, it's templates. YouTube Create has a ton of templates for intros, outros, and everything in between, making it super easy to create professional-looking content, even if you're short on time or inspiration. Chapter 4. VLO, Social Media Superstar. Let's talk VLO, an app that's making a name for itself in the world of social media content creation. And honestly, it's easy to see why. VLO is all about keeping things simple and streamlined. The interface is clean, minimalist, and incredibly intuitive. It's perfect for those quick edits and on-the-go creations. But don't let the simplicity fool you. VLO is still packed with all the essentials. We're talking a wide range of transitions, fun stickers to add some personality to your videos, and a library of sound effects to enhance the audio experience. And the best part? No watermarks, even on the free version. VLO empowers you to create professional-looking content for your social media channels without breaking the bank. Chapter 5. PowerDirector, the professional's choice. Last but not least, we have PowerDirector, the powerhouse of the group. This app is for those who demand the absolute best and want to push the boundaries of mobile video editing. And let me tell you, PowerDirector delivers. We're talking advanced features like 360-degree video editing and motion tracking, stuff you usually only find in desktop-grade software. But it's not all about the fancy features. PowerDirector also excels in the fundamentals. You get precise color correction tools to fine-tune every hue and shade, a vast library of effects and transitions to add that cinematic flair. And all of this comes together in a surprisingly intuitive interface. PowerDirector is a testament to how far mobile video editing has come. Outro. The choice is yours. Each of these top 5 video editing apps offers something unique and valuable. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, finding the right app can significantly enhance your creative process. Choose an app that suits your needs, and don't hesitate to experiment until you find the perfect fit. What's your favorite video editing app? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more content creation tips and tricks in my next video. Thanks for watching, everyone. All apps, links in the description. Download and make engaging videos.